You're going to be reading for the sign of Scorpio, so all that you need to know for the month of May. So let's start. First three cards for you. What are you guys going to be going through? What are you guys going through currently? Right now, you guys are at crossroads with Two of Wands. You do not know which path to take or which partner to choose or which direction to move forward in. Okay, one more card in terms of what's to come for Scorpio spirit. I do not see you having any sort of clear idea as to what you can choose or what is going to be best for you. You feel a bit caught up, you feel a bit stuck. You also look at yourself as a bit helpless or not in a position to make a decision. Okay, in the coming week, what's to come for Scorpio? In the coming week, what's to come for Scorpio? With the world in the reverse, I believe there is a cycle in your life, or there is a person or a connection in your life that is not going forward. Okay, it's not ending, neither is it moving forward. So it still seems stuck. It seems like the cycle is still left, something is still left unfulfilled or unfinished. There's unfinished business between the two of you. Okay, regardless of what you want to do, you're still going to feel something empty, like something is undone with this person or the situation or the connection. Okay, in terms of how do you think about this person now? How does Scorpio think about this person? Scorpio's energy towards the person they're concerned about. With King of Wands, I still feel that you are passionate about this person. You are still very much interested in this person. You could be having a much better option or a much easier option or a much healthier option, but you are still hooked on to the one you are very concerned about. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? Scorpio soulmate, what are they going through, spirit? Scorpio, so we have the Queen of Cups. Some of you guys might be dealing with the water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. How are you thinking about Scorpio now? How is this person really thinking about Scorpio now? Okay, this person, I believe, with High Priestess, even they have options. Okay, they've been stalking you in the past. They've been stalking you. They've been keeping a watch on you. But this person is also very silent. They haven't been talking much, saying much, giving you any sort of idea. But with Queen of Cups, they still have feelings for you and very strong feelings for you. It is not just emotional, but you guys do feel some sort of pull towards each other, like fucking magnets. You guys just cannot get away. Okay. No. With Page of Cups, I definitely feel for selected few of you, this person might be having strong water in their chart, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, like somewhere Moon rising, and this person, in some which manner, is always going to be open to you in terms of communication. If you communicate, they will reply. Okay, and this person is kind of still having those strong emotions for you. They are very much in love with you. Okay, in terms of how do they think about Scorpio now? How do they truly think about Scorpio? With Queen of Swords, however, they might not be showing this to you. Like, they've been behaving very detached, very straightforward, unwilling to open up in terms of their feelings, passion, nothing, straight communication, regular, very, like, how do I put it? Like, like, not trying to be emotional at all, like not trying to make you believe that they have shit for you at all. Very, very direct. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you, what's their energy towards Scorpio now, spirit? With Three of Wands, I do see them still waiting on you, or still wanting you, or still looking forward to you. Okay, what's bothering them, or what's getting in the way, spirit? What's really getting in the way? Scorpio soulmate. What's getting in the way is Six of Cups. There is someone else in the picture. There is a third party in some which manner. It's either on your side or their side, but a third party in whosoever side is bothering them is getting in the way. Okay. If it's not on your side, it's on their side. Okay. One more card. In terms of their feelings, how do they feel for you? Scorpio soul. How do they feel for Scorpio now? Selected few of you. This might be a long distance relationship. How do they feel about you with the Tower card? I do not know if you guys have been through a separation or a breakup. They feel like you guys are not together, like things have fallen apart. In terms of their heart space, what do they truly have for you? In terms of their heart space with Four of Pentacles, they're still holding on to you, but not expressing, not saying shit, not doing shit. But deep down, they're still wanting to hold on to this. Okay. In terms of their head space, what's happening in terms of their head space, Spirit? In terms of their headspace with Four of Cups, they look at this as a lost opportunity or a missed opportunity or something that might not work or something that might never really come to fruition, like a full circle. Okay, in terms of their intentions, what are the intentions towards Scorpio now? What are their real intentions towards Scorpio? In terms of intentions, I do feel like they want to extend themselves in some which manner, but not exactly emotionally. They do want to reach out, they do want to message, they do want to start communication, they do want that. Okay. In terms of what action are they willing to take towards you? What action are they truly willing to take towards you? In terms of action, darling, however, with Nine of Swords, they're a bit restless. Reason being, they're confused. They do not know what's your status, what you are up to, what's happening in your life, what you want from them, nothing. There's lots of confusion going on. Okay? What you could do better to fix it? What can Scorpios do better to fix it? With Page of Swords in the reverse, instead of stalking this person, or instead of waiting on them to reach out, you could start communicating or start asking questions, or start reacting in some which manner. Okay, with Five of Cups, if you're going to just sit down there, crying over the past situation, regretting why it did not work, then nothing is going to work for you. Like nothing is going to happen. But if you take charge, if you take action, if you make the first move, yes, some of you might not exactly get a reply, but you'd at least know where you stand in this person's life, instead of wasting your time over stalking them, like wanting to see what they're up to. You could just reach out. I believe for at least 75% of you, this person will reply or react to it. Okay. In terms of what can you expect out of this connection now? What can you expect out of this connection? With the Lovers card, darling, someone has to make a decision. Okay, and someone is still stuck in the past. The past is still bothering someone. It's either you or them, but someone has to make a decision. With the Lovers card here, it's up to you. You could either move it forward or end it forever. In terms of how do they view you now? How do they view Scorpio? Okay, with Nine of Wands in the reverse, they view you as someone who has given up on them, or who's tired of this situation, or who's just not bothered. Okay, in terms of how do they view the connection? In terms of the connection, however, with Knight of Wands, they do know that if someone takes action, or if someone puts in that effort, this can be worked out. However, they are not so sure that you want commitment from them, or this can move towards commitment or something long term. Some of you, this might have started on a very sexual note, like a fling. You guys were not serious about it, but it kind of moved in a certain direction. Okay, what are they hiding from you? One card for what are they hiding from you? I believe with the Sun in the reverse, this person is not happy in their life without you. Okay, so let's take spirit messages. What should you be knowing about this person or this connection? Scorpio, with the 3 cards, spirit. Not feeling it anymore. Right now, this person feels like you guys are not connected, or you guys are not together. One more card. Fleeing ego, time sake. So just like I've told you in the past, this was time sake for some of you, or for them. It was just a thing. Okay. Right now, I believe you guys are on different paths. You guys are not together. You guys have moved or drifted apart. But what could come in the future, spirit? One card for the future, please. Separation has caused confusion. So till the time you get off the confusion, things are going to remain this way. Okay, both are holding on to it, but both are doing nothing about it. So one last card for the outcome, spirit. What's to come for Scorpio and their soulmate for the next 2 to 3 weeks? Final outcome. Where do we stand? With Seven of Pentacles, to be very honest, it's going to be a drag. It won't be a easy or a smooth journey. Okay, you'll have to put in a lot of effort or changes for this to move in a certain direction. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Scorpio for the month of May. If it resonated, kindly I request you to hit the like button. That's how you support the channel. That's how I grow. That's how I stay here. And all those who want a personal reading with me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. I've got limited spots. Thank you for your support so far. Thank you for coming in, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm on Instagram on Scorpio Vibes only. If you are willing, you could follow that. I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers and happy month of May.